Today we have the brand new iPhone 16 Pro, Apple's latest and greatest. But today we are putting one of its most talked about features to the test. Its water resistance. Apple claims the iPhone 16 Pro is more water resistant than ever, an IP68 rating. That means it should survive in up to 6 meters of water for 30 minutes. But let's be honest, most of us just want to know if it can survive an accidental drop into water. So today we'll be doing a real world water test with this phone to see how it holds up. For this test, we are going to submerge this iPhone 16 Pro in this ball of water for a full minute. While this isn't exactly 6 meters deep, it's pretty fit test for everyday accidentals like dropping your phone into a sink or puddle. We'll be placing this iPhone into the bowl and pour the water and leaving it there for 60 seconds. We'll be checking for bubbles or any signs of damage during the test, and then we'll take it out to see if it works perfectly. Alright, everything is set. Let's get this water test started. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. And the iPhone 16 Pro is now fully submerged. We'll let the clock run for a full minute. The display is not responding to the touches under the water, and we can see some bubbles around the phone. Let's flip this phone. Also, we can see a bubble near the camera lens. We are halfway through and everything seems fine, but the real test will be how it performs once we take it out. Flip it back again. The display is still on and still not responding to the touches. And it's been 1 minute. Let's take it out and see how it did. Alright, it's out of the water, and as you can see water on the camera, and also the water went inside the microphone, charging port and the speakers. Let's wipe it off and check how it's holding up. First thing first, as you can see the Face ID works perfectly fine, and also the display, as you can see, it's very responsive to the touch. That's a great start. Now let's check the camera. The camera is also working and it takes photos with good details and contrast. Volume rockers, action button and camera control button are working fine without any problem. Let's check the speaker. Alright, let's get this iPhone out of the box. The speaker is also loud and clear, and the water didn't went inside the camera lens. And now let's test the charging port, and it's charging. Looks like the iPhone 16 Pro passed our real world water test. The iPhone is working fine without any problem. So there you have it. The iPhone 16 Pro survived our 1 minute water test without any issues. Now, while it's great to know that it can handle an accidental drop into water, it's always best to avoid intentionally submerging your iPhone whenever possible. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you really enjoyed. For more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and click that bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. And also follow me on social media. The links will be in the description below.